about that? How about that? Catch me outside. How about that?
Hey guys, welcome back to Salty Vibes, and today we're going to be making some slime. I'm going to show you guys what you need, and stay tuned to the end of the video to figure out if you're in the notification squad. The first thing you'll be needing is a plastic container or something to mix in. Second thing you'll be needing is something to stir with. Third thing you need is something to measure with. Third thing you'll be needing is a borax mixture or whatever activator. I'm using the borax one. To make the borax one, you need a hot water and a teaspoon of borax, mix it till it's clear. So let's get started. And I didn't tell you, but you also will be needing glue. And I'm using Elmer's. So I'm going to pour my Elmer's glue into my bowl. And there's that. Then you kind of don't need the measuring cup, but you can use it if you want. But I like to measure how much borax mixture I need. So about almost a third. Pour that in there. Then you're going to mix it up. And you can see it turns out to be like this. You don't want, well, you kind of want that consistency, but you don't at the same time. So pour that in and stir it around. So once it's right there, you can start playing with it. And this always happens with the borax one. So yeah, just going to play with it. It's going to be like this, okay? Then it starts to form better. Get that on there. Then you just want to play with it in here until you can get it to where it's off your hands. Like right now. I'm going to keep on playing with it until it's my right consistency. So here it is, and it reached my right consistency. And nice pokey sounds. And I'll go with the rest of my white slimes. And sorry about the background noise. But I hope you guys like this video, and let's get into the notification squad. Kessel, Manel, Sarah Griffith, Izzy Griffith, Lexi Delovich, Riley Delovich, and Cheyenne Thomas.